In this video, I will show you how to scan documents on WhatsApp. So in order to do this, please make sure that you have WhatsApp updated to the latest version because this is a new feature. And when you're in WhatsApp, you're basically going to click on a chat. And here you're going to click on the plus icon at the bottom left. Now you click on document. And in here you're going to click on scan document. And what you're basically going to do now, you can make it auto as you can see. But you can also make this manual. And let's click on manual. So now it won't automatically save it. Click on this. And now you can see we can drag the corners to adjust, but it will automatically detect paper or a document basically. So I'm okay with this one. So I'm going to click on keep scan at the bottom right. And when you are finished, you can basically click on save at the bottom right. Right now, as you can see, it has created a PDF. And when you click on send, this will also send as a PDF. And that is how you scan documents on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.